Hello lovely people, welcome back to my kitchen and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate your time, your comments, your likes and your contribution and everything. Thank you for your support. And the recipe today, I am making chicken soup. Okay, chicken soup. So let's get into the ingredients I use in preparing my chicken soup. Okay, I have 3 medium tomatoes, my bell pepper, my onions, 2 onions, 2 medium onions, my scotch bonnet, chicken spice, blended onion, ginger and garlic, my chopped onions, my tomato pasta and the onga. Okay, and the main thing that we are using to prepare our soup, okay, is the meat. Okay, so this is the meat. Okay, that's the meat we are using to prepare. I have my local chicken. I bought it in the meat market in Tenopio. Okay, so if you are in Tenopio, you can get the local chicken in the markets. Okay, and I have in my shaki, alright, my shaki or towel. Alright, so let's start cooking. Okay, so I'm including my onions, my chicken spice, my blended onions, ginger and garlic to my meat. Okay, after it I'll stir and cover it to steam very well. Okay, so we will continue from there. All right. Wow, look at the way my chicken has really steamed. Okay, very nice. So I will now go ahead and add my onions, tomatoes and pepper and then cover it and allow it to cook. So for about 5 minutes of cooking my onions, tomatoes and pepper is now ready. So I'll take them out and then blend them. Oh, I can't wait for this soup to get ready. Okay, so I will now add my blendables. That's my tomatoes, my pepper and the onions. Okay, after I will rinse my bowl and then add enough water to my meat for it to cook very well. The last thing that I'll add to my soup is salt to taste. Okay, my soup is ready to be consumed by myself. Okay, please, you can try my method to prepare your chicken soup. Very nice and tasty soup. Okay, you can try my method and please let me know your response after in the comment section. Thank you very much for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, okay, and thank you for your support. I really appreciate you all and I am very much grateful to you all. Look at the surface. Wow, it can tell. It can really tell. Okay, wow, nicely. Okay, please try it and see you next time with another recipe.